was snowstorm and oh, the snowstorm melted, na? I was there. What a fresh air.
Mommy, are
Over there,
you
Ate,
feeding
oh.
me?
Ate, over there, oh.
Okay.
Ay. Dito, sir.
It's so deep.
Do you want to go in the playground close to the school, guys?
No,
No?
thank you.
Here is good.
Not now.
Yeah?
Not now.
Here is good, no? Yeah, look at that. I think lots of doggies played here.
Mom, this looks like the North Pole.
Pinky says the best day ever.
I'll make a snowball and I'll throw it to you.
No. Look at that. Oh. Kayuhang, imong ano, oh. You have to fix this one.
I'm okay, Mommy.
Do you still have a headache or no?
No.
It's gone? Yeah?
Yeah.
I think because you sleep too much, Baba. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't touch here, oh. Sophia, oh.
What?
There's a yellow thingy here. This one, okay?
I wonder
This
that's
side.
pee. I wonder pee.
No, not here, Baba.
Look, Mama.
Only that side.
I'm very. Ow, ouchie. Mash the snow. Oh yeah, mash the snow. Santa Claus, I'm his helper. Look at me. Mom, look, my mittens color change.
You don't want to go to the park, Baba? You can go. This is. We're only in the backyard. Ooh. So,
Mommy, you
what are you doing, little girl?
Yay!
Oh yeah. This is Claire's. This is Claire's.
Then do you want to make a big snow castle like me? There you go. I'm okay.
Are you?
Mama, I want to make another one with the yellow.
Okay.
Ah, I want it. Wah, 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 wah. Ma, you're not
What
a
you
baby,
doing, little
but you're a big
girl?
girl already.
That side, little girl. This side, little girl over there. This side over, little girl.
Dad, you throw it. Nobody steps on my snow
Oh
castle.
no! Don't do that. Where's Ate's snow castle?
It's right here.
Oh, okay. Make your own, Claire. Yeah, there was a snowstorm, guys, last night until this morning. So we stayed at home. And we did not go out, and we're here in our backyard. I take them out
Oh my goodness.
to get some fresh air, but some snows are already melted. This morning was so beautiful. Uy. Look at the little one there. Claire. What are you doing? What's Claire doing?
Little girl, come back here, you runaway girl.
Little girl.
Mom, remember?
Come here, Baba.
Mama, remember we were here with Daddy and we caught a rabbit.
Oh, yeah. It was summer though. Yeah, we...
Mama, I want it to be summer again. So
Yeah, summer will be here soon. Summer is in the air. So we got like 20 to 30 centimeters of snow. What are you doing?
Summer, where are you? I want to play with you. Summer, I want to come with you. Summer, wait for us. I want to come.
Yeah, we're only here in our backyard, guys. We don't want to go out.
Biggest castle.
Oh yeah,
What
another
happened?
castle.
What happened? Look, I made another castle. Is that red?
What do you think?
No stepping on that. That's my two castles.
Okay.
So you can make your own one now.
All right. Once again, guys,
Ah!
nothing to
I sang.
update just there.
I'm a little
So I would like to
crabby.
say
I'm a
thank you
little
to all of
crabby.
you
I'm a little
who's
crabby.
always
I'm
supporting
a-
me and who's
I'm a
always
little
supporting my channel.
baby
So as usual, thank you so much guys for your unending love and support. I'm just
Mom, look, I'm sitting on the snow.
filming this just to update. Nothing to update for now. This morning the snow was really pretty, but since I feel like lazy going out, so we stayed at home. And it's now 5 p.m. before I decided to get out.
Mama.
Okay, come here. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk this time.
July. Mom, don't forget these.
Yeah?
I want them down, Mom. I want
Okay.
them down.
Where?
I'm down. This is so much fun.
I know. Only here inside, guys, okay?
I want them down. It'll take forever to walk.
Yeah, it's melted na.
Ew, blocks.
We are close to the road.
Mommy, I'm gonna make a snowman.
Yeah.
I wanna play here.
Wanna play there.
Okay, you think this is enough?
Yeah, over there. Oh.
I wanna know. Come with me.
Don't go too far from mommy, Baba.
I see the moon.
Yeah. Come here, back off, Sophia.
Running and
Yeah, back off, Sophia.
Okay, I think this is enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Come here, back off na. Come. Not that side, Sophia. Sophia and Claire. Sophia and Claire, come on.
What a first day ever!
Best day ever ka dyan.
Mama, look.
Not there. Not on the stairs. Not on the stairs, Sophia and Claire. That's the stairs. Not there.
I wanna go down.
Not there, Baba. Only here.
I wanna go down, Mom.
No. Only here. Not on the stairs.
I want them down.
That side? Sure. You want to go that side? Okay. Thanks again, guys. See you on my next vlog. And I'm going to play with the little kids first. Bye.